So when you're doing your band exercise, you need to make sure you're doing it right, or you end up making little no progress like that one gym goer who's been going for 10 years. So first off, you got to keep the band straight. When performing exercises like the banded front lever, make sure to keep the band straight. This way you can work the correct muscle groups as well as assistance so the band doesn't change. It doesn't apply to all banded exercises though. Next up is band thickness. Now as a beginner, you're going to want to have a band like how I like my women, thick with 2 C's. But as you progress, make sure the band isn't helping you too much. Easy way to figure this out is by doing the exercise and breaking down the technique. If you can still hold the movement, the band's too thick. That's how I prefer, if you know what I mean. So the third thing is going to be location matters. If I'm doing a banded front lever, but the band's under my hips versus my feet, the muscles will be worked differently. Under the hips is going to challenge the abs and hip flexors more than under the feet. It's going to work the abs and hip flexors less and more so the lats. Next up is band resistance. You got to know that during the concentric and eccentric contractions, the effectiveness of the resistance band will be different. Take, for example, the front lever pull. The band will help the most during the bottom phase and will help the least during the top phase. Just keep that in mind.